Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A73 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system and update. And now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the very top. As you can see right here, we've got the list of kind of currently applied and used languages, kind of the shortcut of the all languages available. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let me choose maybe, of course, find yours, and let me choose maybe Italian. As you can see, after tapping on the language, it will be immediately applied to this list. However, the English is still a main one. So all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages, so set the Italian language at the very top. To do that, we have to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. As you can see, they will be switched immediately, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, we've got English set again. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.